Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable virtualization in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your control panel. Now click on Programs. Here you can see Turn Windows feature on or off. Click on it. Now you have to search for Virtual Machine, Platform and Hyper-V. You just have to turn on the button. Now you have to click on Restart. So this is how you can enable virtualization in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.